Want this smooth Y transition? If yes, follow me. Start by adding your clips to the timeline. Make sure they are in 60 fps to give your edit a smoother outlook. Now head to your clips, select them and pre-compose them by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Then go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for S_blur more curves. Drop it onto your layer and place your time indicator at the very beginning of your clip. Now create a keyframe for Shift Y and change the value to -500. Then go 5 frames ahead and change the value to 150. Go 5 frames ahead again and change the value to -30. Finally, go 10 frames ahead and drag it down to 0. Now go to Warp Y and select Reflect. Then head to Effects and Presets panel and search BCC Directional Blur Effect and drag it onto your layer. Move the time indicator to the start of the clip and create a keyframe for blur amount, changing the value to 150. Also change the angle to 0. At last, go to the end of the clip and change the value to 0. Then press U on your keyboard to reveal the keyframes. Select all of them, press F9 to easy ease them. Now select the keyframes for BCC Directional Blur, open Graph Editor and copy my graph. Now of course, you would need to copy these effects to your next clip. So for that, select all the keyframes, press Ctrl plus C to copy them. Tap on your second clip and make sure the time indicator is at the very beginning and press Ctrl plus V. Now go to Warp Y and select Reflect every time you paste these effects to different clips. Then press U on your keyboard that will reveal our keyframes. Select all of them, hold Alt on your keyboard and drag the last keyframe to sync with the end of your clip. And boom, we are done. Thanks for watching.